So your holidays are over and your classes have started, and all subjects, I think all the subjects other than English had come to you, and the assignments also had come. Have you all gone through it? And after going through it, send your answers back to back to your teachers also. So now the English classes has not been started. So today we are going to start your English class. So the first lesson is, who did Patrick's homework? Who did Patrick's homework? So actually, who does the homework? You yourself has to do your homework. Suppose the work is given by your teacher. At home you will do the homework. You do or your parents do. So don't allow your parents to do the homework. They can help you how? By explaining or saying that how you can do it. But they should not touch in your workbook for doing the homework. Understood? That everyone should take care of that. You should not allow your parents to touch your notebook for doing the homework. They can help you by making you understand and doing it in another notebook other than from the notebook of the school. Understood? So now here, Patrick the boy was not very interested in doing the homework. Whatever work is being given to him, he is not willing to do it. He always wanted somebody else to do the homework for him. So the mother is after Patrick all the time saying him, you do your homework, then only you can learn and then only you can pass your examination. Now we will see in this lesson how or who had done all the homework for Patrick. Understood? So I will read and you will listen carefully to it. Who did Patrick's homework? That's the name of the lesson. Patrick never did homework. So Patrick was not in the habit of doing homework. Too boring. So according to him, doing homework is too boring. Boring means not interested, isn't it? He said he played hockey and basketball and they do instead. That means instead of doing homework, what he is doing? He is playing all the time. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn anything. So I'll see. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn anything. So all the time the doing homework, going to the class, isn't it? So the teacher, when you go to your class also, what will the teacher say? No, you have to do the homework. So what's the benefit of doing the homework? What is the good in doing the homework? The good we get in doing the homework means we will learn what we have learned in the class, and when we do it once more as homework, we will come to know more about it, isn't it? So without doing homework, just coming in the class school and copying from somebody's notebook, how can you learn? Can you learn it? No, you cannot learn. So if you want to understand and learn by yourself, what you have to do? You have to do the homework by yourself. Understood? So because Patrick is not doing the homework, going to school, what the teachers are saying, you will not be able to study. And it is true. So that is true. It is a fact that if you don't do the homework, you will not study. Suppose if your maths homework is given to you by your maths teacher, and without doing anything at home, you are the morning you are coming to school and copying from your friend's book, will you understand? No, you will not understand. You will do the work. How you will do the work? Just copying what your friend has written in his notebook. So you also will copy each and everything and keep it. And then teacher comes, you show your book and you will get the correct word. But actually, did you understand how the sum was calculated? No, you will not come to know. So until and unless you do the work by yourself, you will not learn it properly. So that is why it is said that when homework is given by the teacher, you have to do it. Understood all of you? And it is true. Sometimes it feels like an ignorance. Ignorance means a bad person, a illiterate person. That means not knowing anything. Also, when coming to the school daily without knowing anything, how will you become? Will you become clever and intelligent? You will not become clever and intelligent. You will become an idle child. That means without knowing anything. But what did he do? He hated homework. So he understood that he don't know any subject. Still, what he is saying, he can't do homework because he hated doing homework. What if you understood? The next part. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it. Grabbed means taking it inside. That means with force catching hold of it. So one day what did he find? Cat playing with a doll. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. Actually, it was not a doll. But a man is the tiniest size. It was a small person. Tiniest means very small. Tiny means very small. So actually the cat was playing with a tiny man, not a doll. He had a little wooden shirt with old-fashioned feathers and a high tall hat, much like the witch. Who is the witch? The witch is the person who do magic. Which are the people which W-I-T-C-H, which means the people who does magic. Which means the person who does the evil magic, evil magics. Evil magic. So that small tiny person whom the cat was playing with was a witch, that is magic. Who does evil magic. He means he started crying. Save me, save me, because the cat is catching hold of him. So he wanted to get a feel from the cat. So he started making the sound, save me. Don't give me back to the cat. I will wish. I promise you that. So see, Patrick coming near to the cat. What did the tiny person had said? You save me, I will promise to help you in your situation. So only thing is, don't give it to the cat. Understood? That is the tiny person is saying, don't give me to that cat. If you save my life from the cat, I will help you. It's my promise. Patrick would not believe how lucky he was. Why did Patrick think that he is lucky now? Because that person, that small tiny person has said that if you save my life from the cat, I will help you at any moment. Whatever you wanted, who will help now? The tiny person will help. So Patrick was happy and he thought, this lucky time over here. Here was the answer to all of his problems. What are his problems? His problems are doing homework. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I will even get it. Yes, that means the only thing, if I want to save the life from the cat, the only thing you have to do is, you have to do all my homework. That is, till the end of my semester, that is 36 days, all the homework, whatever the homework is being given to me, you have to do it. So if you agree to that, what will Patrick do? Patrick will save the life from the cat. So if we do all the homework for the whole semester or the section, what will he get? He will get a grade. So Patrick, without doing the work, what he wanted, a grade. Understood? The little man's face wrinkled like a growth on the hump. Because he was not agreeing to that, because he has to do the work, isn't it? So he went to this side. He kicked his legs and down his fist, and he grimaced and scowled and was in this. Oh, I am cursed, what are you doing? So he was not interested. He thought it's a hard work for him to do all the homework for the whole session, isn't it? So he was not willing to it. But at the same time, if he is not willing or agreeing to the wish of a party, what will happen? His life is in the hands of the cat. So he somehow, what did the evil person said? Okay, I will help you. So now who got the help? Patrick got the help for doing the homework for the whole session. And true to his word, that means just so that he had promised that he will help him. That little help began to do Patrick's homework. For the next day onwards, who started doing homework for Patrick? The tiny person. Except there was one glitch. Except one problem is there that small tiny person. The help did not always know what to do and he needed help. So all the subjects was not able to do. Sometimes he wanted the help from Patrick. Help me, he could say. So whenever he was doing the homework, in between, if any doubt or problem is coming, he will call Patrick for help. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. So in whatever way means, in whatever way he would do it, he will do it, because otherwise what will not be completed? The homework will not be completed. I don't know this word. They are speak by reading Patrick's homework. So when doing in between comes some words, he used to shout and say, I don't know this. Give me a dictionary. So now you go and get a dictionary for that. I have to find the meaning. Now what is even better? Look up the word and somebody don't like it like. So he has to learn over the dictionary, find the word for that and get the meaning for that. And this all work he has to, Patrick has to do, and help whom? The small person, and then he will complete the work. So like that, Patrick was doing the work also along with whom? The tiny person. When he came to maths, now the next subject is maths. Patrick was sort of no like was saying, what are timetables? You don't know about that. Their shape. What tests never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. So all kinds of problems occurring in which subject? In maths. Subtraction, addition, then fraction and everything. The elf was not able to do it. He had sit down beside me, you simply must add. So what did they do? That any person do? Called Patrick to sit around with him. So that he had to help him with the subject of maths. Well, so nothing of human history. Again coming to the history biology. To them it is mystery. That means it is something a hidden subject. So they did have already a doctor, just got order. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. So whenever the doubts come, so one after another subjects are coming. Every subject is not very accurate to you. The small tiny person. So the problem started with the subjects coming, and then he used to call Patrick to sit along with him, read and help him. So now majority work is going along with the whom also? Patrick. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little help was in hand. Patrick was working harder than ever and was here back. So the whole time, now who started working? Patrick started working. He was staying up nights and never felt so weary. He was going to school with his eyes open and blade. That means the whole night he was sitting and doing the work. Because if he sleep, what will happen? His work will pen over there. That means it will not be completed. So the whole night sitting along with the tiny man, reading and doing and helping. So now actually who is studying? Patrick is studying, and who is doing the work? Patrick is doing the work. Finally, the last day of the school arrived and first week go. So now 36 days already mentioned in the beginning, the session is going to end. And now it is the time for the person to go back. As for the homework, there was no more, so you write here please sleep after the class. So now when the section is going to end, what also comes to an end? Homework also comes to an end. Now who had left? The tiny person had left. So by this time, how was the work done? The whole work was done by whom? Patrick as well as the tiny person. But the tiny person was not clever enough to complete all the work. There, who had to do the work throughout? Patrick was doing the work. Patrick got A's, he started some. So when the result came, now who scored A for all subject? Patrick got A for all subject. Up to then he was not able to get A in any of the subject, but now he got A in all the subject, and all the classmates were surprised to see that Patrick had won the subjects. His teachers and were full of it. Even the teachers praised him because he was a big surprise for everybody. And his parents, even the parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. They didn't to know how Patrick had changed. He was now the model kid, cleaned his room, cleaned his clothes, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. So now totally, who had changed? Patrick had changed. His whole character had been changed, and how he had been before was totally had gone from this. Like now he is a good child. He was a role model for the whole school. Understood? You see, in the end, Patrick thought he had made with any man do all his homework. So even now, they also Patrick is thinking that the whole work was done by whom only? At the time he helped. But actually, who had done the homework? Who had done the homework as well as who were reading the books? Patrick was himself reading the books. He said, how was Patrick reading the books? Who made him read? The tiny person made him do the work. Actually, the tiny person do not know any of the subjects, anything about the subject. So he was acting and saying that he doesn't know anything, and he was making Patrick do the same subjects, maths also, the history also, and everything. And at the same time, reading the books, finding the meanings from the dictionary and everything. So the whole day and night, who was studying? Patrick was studying. And now he himself don't know how the homework has been done. He thinks that the tiny person had done the work. That is why Patrick at the end of the semester, what did he get? All subjects he was able to score A. But I will share a secret. So author is saying, I will share you the secret between the tiny person and the Patrick. Between you and me. It wasn't Patrick has done this himself. So the truth of that is, even though Patrick was not able to do the homework and he hated doing the homework, the teachers used to say that until and unless you do the homework only you can learn. But by the time his luck had come, the tiny person had appeared, and in promise to that he said he will help him to do the homework. But actually the whole work of the whole semester of the 6 days has been done by whom? By Patrick himself. And Elfhard acted saying that he was doing the work, but actually who was reading and doing it? Patrick was himself reading and doing the work. So while he was reading and doing the work, he understood each and every subject and was able to score A for all the subjects. So that is why it was a great surprise for the teachers, classmates, and even for his parents. The whole attitude of who's not changed, Patrick had changed. So the author is saying, but Patrick is not believing that he had done all the work. But the author is saying there was a secret between the elf and the Patrick. That means Patrick himself had done the work and he had scored everything. Understood? That is why I am saying in the beginning that when you do the work by yourself, you will learn more than when you copy from somebody else. That means always thinks it is something interesting to do your work. So how much you do your work, that much you will learn by yourself. Understood all of you? So the answers, the following questions will be sent to you, and you can copy that on your notebook and study the lessons. So once you have made a test, go to it. Okay, thank you.